Have you ever found yourself in the midst of a project, desperately seeking the perfect tool to bring your vision to life? Something that would unlock the very potential of creativity, fuel your imagination, and catapult your productivity into overdrive? Well, Apple is here to revolutionize the way you work, think, and create with its latest masterpiece, the 2025 MacBook Pro laptop, powered by the groundbreaking Apple M5 chip. The M5 chip boasts an impressive 10-core CPU and 10-core GPU, a monumental leap in performance that sets the bar for next-generation speed and on-device AI capabilities. This isn't just an incremental upgrade. It's a fundamental transformation of how we tackle complex tasks. The MacBook Pro M5 brings together all the elements of a professional-grade laptop, delivering unparalleled power, efficiency, and versatility. But what's the problem that this magnificent creation addresses? Today, as we navigate the world of ever-increasing complexity, professionals in various fields struggle to find a device that can seamlessly bridge the gap between speed, creativity, and practicality. The old laptops, while impressive in their own right, couldn't quite cope with the sheer magnitude of data, applications, and demands that modern life imposes. The solution, until now, has been a compromise, a trade-off between portability, power, and affordability. Now, let's take a closer look at this remarkable laptop and see what it's all about. Upon opening the box, you'll be greeted by a stunning silver design that screams premium, from the precision-crafted aluminum unibody to the delicate yet rugged aesthetic that exudes high-end craftsmanship. The MacBook Pro M5 boasts a robust build quality that withstands the rigors of travel and everyday use, all while feeling remarkably light in your hands, a testament to Apple's legendary attention to detail. As you dive deeper into the laptop, you'll notice the sleek keyboard, precision-crafted to deliver a sublime typing experience, complete with a scissor switch mechanism and a generous 1mm key travel for reduced fatigue. The touchpad, too, has been meticulously designed to respond seamlessly to every gesture and command, effortlessly navigating even the most complex workflows. Now let's focus on the show-stopping features that make the 2025 MacBook Pro M5 a true powerhouse. First, the M5 chip, a marvel of engineering that has been optimized to deliver the most significant performance boost yet. With its 10-core CPU, you can be confident that even the most demanding tasks are tackled with ease. Be it video editing, software development, or data analysis, this CPU has got it all under control, effortlessly scaling to meet your ever-growing needs. Then, there's the 10-core GPU, an impressive feat of engineering that unlocks a wide range of creative possibilities. Featuring a neural accelerator built into each core, performance is elevated, allowing for even the most compute-intensive tasks to be tackled with unprecedented speed. And with up to 1,600 nits peak brightness, the beautiful 14.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display is as breathtaking as it is stunning, making every project, every presentation, and every collaboration a pure joy. Now, let's put this laptop to the test in a real-world scenario. Imagine you're a professional videographer tasked with editing a long-form documentary, complete with 4K footage, intricate color grading, and precision audio mixing. With the MacBook Pro M5, you could edit 8K footage with ease, effortlessly handling multi-threaded operations, and collaborating seamlessly with your team in real time. The speed and efficiency afforded by the M5 chip are nothing short of revolutionary, setting a new benchmark for the industry. Let's also talk about the storage situation, specifically 512 gigabytes SSD storage, which ensures you've got ample room for your projects, files, and creative assets. Additionally, you'll find 16 gigabytes of unified memory, a game changer in its own right, granting your applications an uncapped level of performance and responsiveness. Now, we also need to weigh the pros and cons of this laptop. One possible drawback is the price, undoubtedly a major factor for those on a tight budget or who are not quite ready to commit to the premium price tag. On the other hand, you get what you pay for. This laptop is designed to be the ultimate tool for creatives, professionals, and anyone pushing the boundaries of what's possible. In terms of competition, the landscape is rapidly shifting as technology continues to advance at an exponential rate. While the likes of Dell, HP, and Lenovo continue to innovate, Apple has once again cemented its position as a leader in the industry, pushing the boundaries of design, performance, and user experience. So, what's the final verdict? If you're a professional looking to unlock the full potential of your creativity, productivity, or imagination, then the 2025 MacBook Pro laptop with the Apple M5 chip is the tool for you. Trust me, this thing is a beast. It will change the way you think about work, creativity, and innovation. I'm confident in saying this. It's a game changer, a paradigm shifter, a masterpiece. To experience this incredible laptop for yourself, I encourage you to visit apple.com or visit an Apple store near you. Don't wait. Unlock your potential today and discover a new world of limitless creativity, collaboration, and limitless possibilities.